House of Marley, formed in part by the family of the reggae legend himself, is one of the more unique companies slinging celebrity headphones today, crafting a wide array of models from eco-friendly core materials like hemp, recycled aluminum, and FSC-certified wood. The company offers solid gear with a dash of civic morality, even donating some of its profits to the Marley family's One Love charity. View 2026 our ears. The bad moments outweigh the good. We recently received one of the newest members of the family, the Liberate on-ear headphones, which have been reduced from their $100 MSRP to $80. Wondering how much clarity the Liberate could glean from their signature sound at that modest price, we prepared for a heavy thumping and took them for a detailed test run. In typical Marley form, the Liberate come in an inconspicuous brown box made of recycled cardboard, with nothing more inside than an earth-friendly clamshell of protective padding, an instruction manual, and, surprisingly at this price point, even a matching hemp tote bag. We may not be hippies, per se, but we are realists, and always appreciate the guilt-free packaging home provides. Unveiling our review model revealed a slim layer of denim blue recycled fabric around the ear pads and at the underbelly of the headband. Unlike the rhythm, however, which looked like they were sewn together with cutouts from a farmer's overalls, the Liberate are far less conspicuous, and actually have a pretty attractive exterior. The industrial steel frame felt extremely stout as we worked it over, and the wood caps on the ear pads were grainy to the touch, and oiled to a satisfying light glow. The Liberate feel well built, with a stout chassis and rock-solid ear cups. The fabric pad on the underside of the perforated steel band is stitched on with black thread, lending a handmade aesthetic. The cups move along the band for size adjustment within a jerky motion, and rotate vertically or horizontally, but the cushy vinyl pads offer a fair amount of support to allow the U2018 phones to conform to the ears in relative comfort. Beneath the ear pads lie 40mm dynamic drivers, covered with a surprisingly thick layer of padding across the screen at the center. A braided headphone cable extends from each of the two ear cups to meet at a 3-button iOS control piece in the middle. We always